Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at CF. CF is a fertilizer manufacturer here in the US, and they have good stuff. It's a really good company. Go see my breakout video on CF, and it's a dividend paying stock. So my new strategy here for this account is to accumulate dividend paying stocks so I have at least a baseline return, and then sell options on top of those with puts and calls, either short term or long term, and make some income on that. So right now we're just going to sell a cash covered put in this account, and we're going to get as much as we can here. So let's see, break even is 54.30. All right, not bad. It's pretty high right now. All right, we finally got filled at 165. Let's go back and look at our position. All right, here's our position in the CF Industries. You can see we're going to be selling a put. If it goes down below my strike price by October 15th, I'll get put to stock, and then I'll be collecting dividends, and probably selling a call against it at some point down the road, and be collecting that income as well, and then maybe another cash covered put in this account. All right, tell me what you guys think of this strategy and this stock, and good luck out there in the markets, and be sure to subscribe.